Hi, dear student. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Here is Mr. Dulhas, your science teacher from Knowledge Private School. We have chapter 3, section 1, page 47 to 49. Today we have some other organs of the digestive system. We have liver and gallbladder. First of all, we have the definition of liver, the largest organ in the body. It is make bile, stores and filters blood, and stores excess sugar as glycogen. Here is this reddish organ, or this reddish large reddish organ is the liver. The largest organ in the body. It makes bile, stores filter blood, and excess sugar as glycogen. Liver has many important functions. First of all, makes bile to break up fat. When you eat a food, if the food contains high level or high amount of fat, the liver will break down the fat or that fat into a balance or into a moderate level. It also stores nutrients. The liver will store nutrients. Another function of liver breaks down toxins. The food that contain toxin materials, the liver will break down these toxins. We said bile is made by liver, but bile is temporarily stored in a small sac-like organ called gallbladder. Gallbladder stores bile, but bile is made by what? By liver. What's the definition of gallbladder? Gallbladder, a sac-shaped organ that stores bile produced by the liver. Bile break large fat droplets into very small droplets. This green sac-like color is gallbladder. This gallbladder will stores bile. The role of bile will break down fat or large fat droplets into very small droplets. Large intestine. The definition of large intestine is another part of digestive system or another organism of digestive system. Is the wider and shorter portion of the intestine. Is shorter than small intestine, but is wider than small intestine. Large intestine removes water from the mostly digested food and that turns the waste into semi-solid stool. The role of digestive system remove water from the digested food and turn the waste into semi-solid stool. Large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. We said small intestine is longer than the large intestine, but the diameter of large intestine is about 7.5, is wider than the small intestine. Whole grain fruits and vegetables contain carbohydrate called cellulose that human cannot digest. So it means human cannot digest grain, fruits, vegetables. These foods contain carbohydrate called cellulose. But fiber in the body of human or keep the stool soft and keep material moving through the large intestine. Fiber will keep this material to move through the large intestine. The large intestine's role is removes water from the digested food and turn the waste into semi-solid stool. The last part of the digestive system is the leaving the body. The rectum is the last part of the large intestine or is the last part of the digestive system. The rectum stores feces until they can be expelled. Feces pass to the outside of the body through an opening canal called anus. The undigested food or feces will pass or store in the rectum and until they can be expelled. This feces pass to the outside of the body through opening canal called anus. If you eat a sandwich, this sandwich needs about 24 hours to make this journey through your digestive system. Understand? These two images show us the organs, parts of digestive system, and show us the last parts of the digestive system, such as anus, rectum, large intestine. Each organ has some important functions and roles. Hope you understand. Goodbye.